ngicela nimlalele kancane uMr Nkomonde.
Lento is not ukuthi ngiyitargethe kuwena phese yabo le nto le ngikhuluma in general akekho uClevo iStepfather bro
Yapota ngwethu inhlonipho enkulu mngani wami ibhari uwela yabo because labo sinabantwana manje mfethu kunama time akhulisa abantwana from 9 months 3 years 6 months 6 years as young as they were babakhulisile kwathi labantwana masebana boma 19 18 labantwana babadalela bathi you are not my father wena akasafuna ukukhozwa manje you know ibhlungu kanjani leyo nto buti ukhulisa umntwana ngeqiniso sibobona umntwana kuba irabhela aza kutshela ukuthi wena usubabami wena but you spend everything emotions spiritually you invested everything kulo mntwana bese kazokutshela ukuthi awusumntwana wakho yazi why ilaba abamamela lamagama wakhulumayo.